Home Remedies presents
Cloves for hair growth. Use cloves to get long hair in less than 30 days. No hair loss. Clove is a powerhouse of health benefits. The compound eugenol found in clove helps promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. This will improve blood circulation in the scalp and promote stronger hair growth. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents, which further help in hair thickening. Here's how to make the remedy. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons cloves, 1 cup water. Directions: boil for 5 minutes. Leave it overnight covered in the same pot. Next day, strain it in a spray bottle. Wash your hair and spray on your scalp. Leave it on for 2 hours, then wash again. Washing of the hair before will help the dirt and other natural oil come off so clove can settle better on the scalp. I recommend using it twice a week. It is enough. It can also be used on a daily basis without any problems. Use this recipe for more than 30 days to get a good result.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.